everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we are doing the Just Peachy Matte Palette, and this is it right here. And if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, please keep watching. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to episode number 3 of our palette review. So today we are going to do a review of the Just Peachy Matte palette and see what we think of it and if it's a keeper. So yesterday I found a look with this palette from Urban Decay. It's the Naked Heat. The mattes are really similar. I don't think I need both. So let's see which palette is going to beat out the other. It's going to be really hard for me to get rid of an Urban Decay palette. I just have to say that. So yeah, this is kind of fun. This is different. I already have all my makeup on. So we're just going to be doing Pure Palette Love right now. Pure Palette Love. I know you're like, what is that? What I said it is. It's Pure Palette Love. So to be fair, because I did use it with my palette yesterday, I'm going to put on some of my Painterly Pot on my eyes and use that as a eyelid primer, because it wouldn't be fair if I did it differently, because it just wouldn't be fair. Alright. I'm excited about this series because I get to use I get to use my palettes. Like I don't realize I went to pull some palettes out to do this and I'm like, I didn't even know I had this palette. It's ridiculous. Honestly, it's hideous. Nobody should have that much. Especially me. Alright, we're going to go into this shade right here. This is Peaches and Cream, and we're going to put that all over our lid. See if it doesn't... Yeah, it's going to be fine. Be a little bit pigmented, but it will be fine. So far, so good. It builds up. I'm kind of packing it on my lid in case I want this to be my, you know, main behind the scenes shade. What do you think of my shirt? It's Lulu. It's really a Halloween shirt, but for me, it's all year long. And now you're like, can she just calm down a little bit? Alright, this is Fresh Picked. We're going to put that in our crease. Same brush. This is a brush from Nameless People. Because it's just Nameless. I don't have tape on today because I already have my my face makeup on, but we'll try and keep it in control. Very pretty. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so hard for me to give up anything. I'm going to have to organize my palettes so that I know what palettes and what drawer I've already gone through, so I'm not doing the same thing. I wouldn't want to bore you with the same thing. Alright, so we're going to go into, I think I'm going to go into this Fresh Sangria right here, and we're going to kind of, we're just going to see what that does. See if it builds up. It's not as pigmented as I had hoped, which is not uncommon for Too Faced. Come on. It's building. But I feel like if I do one swipe, it's just going to take it away. It's just going to blend it away. I sent a text to my girlfriend today. I said, I feel like a falafel and a tattoo today. She's like, what? She's like, you're weird. I know, I'm weird. I'm weird. I like falafel. The sad part about where I live is if I want to eat a falafel, I at least have to drive an hour. Unless I buy them. And I haven't been to Trader Joe's to get them. I need to go to Trader Joe's. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll think about that tomorrow. This is kind of... Well, the one good thing is it does blend out. It's just not... It's not sticking like I want it to. Alright, Susan, just blend it in. Blend it in. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go into this Just Ripe shade, which is like another cranberry color, and see if I can deepen this up some. This is my Morphe 518 brush. Just deepen it right here. See, I do have a little bit of fallout, but we'll get that in a minute. I feel like it's blending into the same shade. It's not working out so well for me today. It's just not working out so well. Sorry, Too Faced. This is just a powder brush, this is an old MAC powder brush. This is like a MAC 136. It's 20 years old. I was a bit angry about the eyeshadow situation today. Okay. I think I'm going to go into this chocolate dipped right here, and what the hell, what do I got to lose at this point? And see if that does the deepening I want. Not really, because it's doing something else. It's really covering it up. The brush is too big. That's my fault, not the palette's fault. My fault. But we will recover. What you do on one side, you must do on the other. And we will go back and fix it. Damn, Susan. This is just my little makeup eraser wipe. It's disgusting. It's clean. It's just disgusting. It just stains. I'm going to try and go back into this peach sangria. I'm sorry, the peach sangria that I'm just dying for it to work. Like, I just want it to work. Just, can you work? And see if I can. Maybe that's better. Not on your face, Susan. And then clean that off. And I think I'm going to go into this peach punch right here, and I'm going to put that on the inside of my eye. Yes, just because that... And see, that's wiping it away. God dang it. This peach sangria, man, I'm having a hard time. I'm having a really hard time. Okay. So, that poor brush is shedding. It needs to go in the trash so bad. I just do not want to part with this. This is like one of the first expensive brushes I ever bought in my life, and have some memories with it. Alright. I'm just... That's what I do. You kind of lean back and be like, it's not what I wanted. I mean, it's not horrible. But I'm going to tell you something. I worked way too hard with that. That brush is going in the trash. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to put on a little brown eyeliner. This is in Lush. It is a Urban Decay and it's not working that great. Oh. I'm telling you what. It's wrong end. I feel like it's... I'm gonna put on a little lipstick, but you got to go. This is my MAC lip intensity in Dough. I don't think so, guys. I think this palette's going to make its way to the... Bye-bye. Okay, everybody. This is the look I got using the Just Peachy palette. It is just not for me. It is just not peachy enough. So, I hate to do it. I hate to say it, but you're out. You're out. You've got nothing on the Naked Heat palette. So we're going to put this in our little to-go, to be gone, whatever, until, you know, I've forgot that I didn't like it and then repurchase it again, because I've been known to do that. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little series. If you have any palettes that you're looking for me to do soon, because you want to know before you buy it, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to do it if I have it. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.